Let's try out this example. So given log p to base 6 is equals to x and log q to base 6 is equals to y. So let's express log 36p over q to base of root 6 in terms of x and y. So let's say we have log 36p over q, okay, to base root of 6. So we will split this out in terms of the components. So of course, when you multiply, we can split it out as plus, and when you divide, we can split it out as minus. So we have log 36 to base of 6, okay, plus log p to base of root 6 minus log q to base of root 6. So now of course we have to change the root here to in terms of 6, since our information here is in terms of root of 6. So that will be log 36 to base 6 over log square root of 6 to base of 6 plus log p to base 6 over log square root of 6 to base 6 minus log q to base 6 over log square root of 6 to base 6. Now of course for log square root of 6 to base 6, we can express this as 6 to the power of 1 over 2 to base of 6. So that's 1 over 2 times log 6 to the power 6. We can bring the power down as a coefficient. So log 6 to base 6 is equals to 1. So that is equals to half. Okay, so all this will be equals to half. So then you have log 36 over 6. So that will be log 6 to the power of 2 over base 6. This 1 over 2. Plus log p to base 6 is x over 1 over 2, and then minus log q to base 6 is y, so that's y over 1 over 2. Okay, so when you divide by 1 over 2, that becomes 2. So keep in mind 1 over 1 over 2 is just 1 divided by 1 over 2, which is 1 times 2 over 1. Okay, so that will be equals to 2. So we have 2, and then log 6 to the power of 2, of course you can bring this down to the as a coefficient. So this is just log 6 power of 2 to base 6 is just 2 log 6 to base 6. So again, log 6 to base 6 equals to 1. So this is just 2 plus x minus y.